Okay, so welcome. I'm here today to open my card packs. You probably can't see the stuff on here, but you'll get all three out. So now I have 3 card packs. Let's check these. We got all paints. They all suck. Next. Okay, guys, pack 1 or 2. I picked 2. We got Evil Rubber Chicken, Glowing Cyan Paint. Guys, oh my gosh. We just got a Villain Freeze Ray. That is actually so good. Okay. Heaps pack number 3. Invisibility Potion, Pumpkin Bread, and Glowing Orange Paint. Not too decent or good, but yeah. And by the ways, if you want to know which gadget I picked, I picked Periwinkle Candy. So yeah, guys, vote Periwinkle Candy. If you haven't voted already, or you want to change to Periwinkle Candy. That's my opinion, because who doesn't want golden candy? I mean, that golden candy is so cool. That's actually pretty funny. I also got this hoodie. So yeah, that's just a mini little video I made. So, toodles! Okay, bye guys. 2026th anniversary out.